all about the timing of things. It takes time to get those perfect peppers, those perfect Trinidad scorpions. Our world-renowned Freehaven fire sauce. I created this sauce here about 5 years ago, maybe 6. You know, they say necessity is the mother of all invention. We have an abundance of peppers at the end of every season that we never want to see go to waste. We started making our hot sauce. We started figuring out a way that we can use our peppers and monetize them. I think you guys are gonna love it this year. We in the kitchen right now, we making this stuff. Stay tuned. We outside with the heat.